Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. So,
Tak,
I was tired, so I slept.
bol som unavený, tak som spal.
Also,
Aj,
I like tea. I also like coffee.
mám rád čaj, mám rád aj kávu.
Finally,
Konečne,
finally, I found it.
konečne som to našiel.
Anyway,
Každopád,
anyway, let's go.
každopádne, poďme.
Before,
Pred,
wash your hands before dinner.
umyj si ruky pred večerou.
After,
Po,
we can play football after school.
po škole môžeme hrať futbal.
As soon as,
Hneď ako.
call me as soon as you arrive.
Zavolaj mi, hneď ako dorazíš.
As long as,
Tak dlho ako.
you can stay, as long as you want.
Môžeš zostať tak dlho, ako chceš.
Even if,
Aj keď.
I will go even if it rains.
Pôjdem, aj keď bude pršať.
Actually,
Vlastne.
actually, I don't know.
Vlastne, neviem.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.